Well, what's going on, y'all? It's old CB Radio Lover here. I reviewed this antenna from Antennas Direct. I tell you what, it's a pretty damn good antenna. It's got a bunch of signals pulling in. It's for TV, not CB now. But they got a thing on there where you can type in your zip code or your address, and it'll pull in what stations you might be picking up according to which antenna you use, which they go by Dolby, which is what CBers use too. And I tell you what, man, if you look at them dots on that map, that'll tell you the stations. Now, if you hook up a CB antenna to your TV like this, you probably get about 1 million channels, but you don't want to do that because, you know, you'd be hooking up your CB antenna and you need it for the CB. Now, if you hook up a ham antenna to it, you know, like this, it'd probably make all the TV stations quit and go out of business. But that's about it. So 74s and CQ. I'll catch y'all later. If you got any comments, feel free to reply in the comment section, y'all.